So, good afternoon. Lot of messages in the chat box. So, thank you, Rajiv, and thank you, NTEB, for giving this opportunity, and that too on the 1st May, right? So, 1st May is what? Workers' Day or Labor Day, and the other one is the Maharashtra Day. So, my best wishes to every one of you on both these days. And since we come from the Maharashtra schools, I would really wish all of them a great happy Maharashtra Day and Jai Maharashtra to all of you. So this is going to be an interaction session. It's not about what we would be speaking. So अगर आप सब महाराष्ट्र में से है तो you can type in your chat box Jai Maharashtra. So today being Sunday, Friday or afternoon, so I really thank every one of you for joining on the Friday afternoon and that too at 12:30 क्योंकि आपके लंच के बीच में मैं हूँ. So I'll not take most of the time. So you can have good. There are a lot of people writing Jai Maharashtra. So and warm wishes to every one of you on this day. So once again, thank you for joining. Today, my topic will be both in Hindi and in English. So I'll mix both of it so that I can clear my message very well. So आज का मेरा टॉपिक है, it is mindset. My topic today is mindset in education. So उसके लिए हम लोग बात करेंगे, but before that I would like to give a small introduction of myself so that you understand who we are and what we do. So my name is Sandipan Reddy, founder of Synergy Group of Schools. I come up from a small village, Anjanpur. It's 20 kilometers from Ambejogai in the Beed district of Marathwada. So आपको सबको मालूम है Marathwada is completely drought prone area in Maharashtra. But I should thank my parents or my uncle for giving me the best of best education. So मेरा प्राइमरी एजुकेशन मेरा बोर्डिंग स्कूल में हुआ पूना में. So that's national model school, that we call it Nagarwala school. And मेरा secondary school and senior secondary I did it from Yogeshwari, that's Ambejogai. Both these cities are education hub of Maharashtra. And Yogeshwari, since the freedom fighting days, it has been a prominent place. So I had the privilege of getting education from two best schools. After that, obviously taking good marks, I did my engineering from Government Engineering College, Aurangabad. Then I moved to Pune to do my MBA in finance from Symbiosis, and then landed up a job in Mumbai with Maharashtra government in Maharashtra Pollution Control Board. Left that in 2005 to do what I really wanted to do in life. That's business, entrepreneurship. So I am an entrepreneur now. I'm a director in a financial company, that's INI Financial Services Private Limited. Then founder of Synergy National School. Then the co-founder of Stories for Training and advisory on two companies. So that's my passion. That's my passion about what I really love to do. So आज का subject is mindset. How many of you believe कि 50 years or 70 years after our independence also there is not much change in education? लेकिन last 10 years से थोड़ा बहुत change हो गया है. So if we look at the history, if we go back, क्या पता चलता है? Education was through a fixed mindset. Only one mindset. अच्छा education दे दो, उसके बाद अच्छा job लगेगी. So education was meant only for job. We came from a fixed mindset. If anybody wanted to do something different, people said he's not worth. Or why that was the reason that most of them were first time learners. अपने अपने period में they were the first time learners. So how has education come ahead? So in our school days, what we did, हम लोगों ने बहुत सारा रट्टा मारा है. Like every one of you must be knowing कि tables 30 तक टेबल सबको आनी चाहिए. How many of you agree? You can put on in your chat box. Yes, I agree. कि पहले तो हमको पढ़ाया जाता है कि 30 तक टेबल्स बोलना ही है. You have to write it. And उसके बाद still we are using calculators to do the same calculation. Then we talk about simple interest and the other one is compound interest. बहुत पढ़ाया था, बहुत रट्टा मारा, उसके एग्जाम्स दिए हमने. And then what we do, we don't know where to use that. So education or knowledge, if it is not implemented or application नहीं आता है ना, उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है. Everyone is educated, but if you see lot of people are not still following the rules what the government says, क्योंकि वो educated है. So education का मायना क्या है? What is education all about? Education, my personal belief is education is an enabler to solve problems which are there. Friends, मैं जो भी बात कर रहा हूँ, whatever I'm speaking, it is out of my experience and these are my views. So this is my experience over the last 10 years into education industry. How fixed mindset has really made education redundant. बहुत पढ़ाई किया and then we really thought of बहुत education हुआ, then we stopped learning. हम लोग education लेना बंद हो गई उसकी. Then we always say इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है. If you can see, there are lot of dialogues in our home कि इतने पढ़ाई की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. But believe me, there is a different way of education also. So in education, in the mindset, there are two things. One is a fixed mindset and the one is a growth mindset. So fixed mindset will never let you grow in life. Every time you will complain about anything. अगर आपका fixed mindset चाहते हो ना, तो you will start complaining. There are a lot of complaints. So if you find a person who is in a complaining nature, just say he comes from a fixed mindset. Now, I follow Howard Gardner, who is a multiple intelligence, founder of multiple intelligence. So what I learned, every person, हर एक के पास 8 intelligence है, and every intelligence can be developed. 8 intelligence है, सिर्फ एक intelligence नहीं है, IQ और EQ. There are 8 intelligence, and every intelligence can be developed. But when can it develop? When you move to the growth mindset. Every intelligence is developable. And what we focus on most of the time in our education also, we focus on our weaknesses. हम लोगों को घर पे, if at all I am not good at maths, I am told to go to tuition of maths. अगर मुझे कभी अच्छा ही नहीं लगा, तो ट्यूशन जाके कहाँ मैं, what is the thing that I am going to do? So why can't we focus on what I am good at, what we are good at? So if we do that, see the difference. Because T. Harvekar always say, whatever you focus on expands. And most of the time in life also, in fixed mindset, we focus on negative things. और वो negative things हमारे life में बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. So focusing on what good is our children और अपना बच्चा कहाँ पे है, and whatever he is gaining. See, past is past. Let's look at future. At present also, अगर हम लोग आज देखेंगे ना, so this is not a book. COVID-19 is not a book event कि कभी किसी ने बोला नहीं था कि ऐसा इवेंट कभी आ जाता है. There are lot of events we can say कि ऐसा हो सकता है, but this was never in a book. So how do we cope up? How do we do that? So that is where in any situation, any situation or any decade, there are only four skills. Like we say 21st century skills. 21st century skills are most important. The first skill is creativity. So creativity is important. The reason is, and the fact is that कि हम लोग पहला क्रिएटिविटी घर में हम लोग रुका देते हैं. If at all a child starts doing something different, हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं कि ये मत कर, वो मत कर. We always have a table of no, don't do this, don't do that. So वहां पे उसकी क्रिएटिविटी, we are blocking that creativity. And when he says कि I want to do arts or I want to do something, फिर अपना एक पहला डायलॉग क्या हो जाता है कि इससे तुम्हारा पेट भरने वाला है क्या. Our dialogues are completely in a more structured manner. क्योंकि हम लोग बैगेज लेके आ गए. लास्ट 40 इयर्स का हमारा खुद का बैगेज, लास्ट 40-50 इयर्स का बैगेज है कि इससे क्या पेट भरता है क्या. वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम? इट कम्स फ्रॉम द फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट कि ये ऐसा ही होता है. इनफैक्ट आई फाइंड लॉट ऑफ, आई हैव इंटरेक्टेड विद लॉट ऑफ पेरेंट्स, लॉट ऑफ एजुकेशन लीडर्स. इतने होने के बाद भी दे आर नॉट रेडी टू चेंज. They will do the same thing again and again at home. अच्छे, इनफैक्ट वेरी गुड पीपल ऑल्सो दे डू द सेम थिंग. ये मत करो, इससे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. द सेकेंड skill is create critical thinking. So why I say critical thinking is important? You see this today's event. पहले दो दो हफ्ते we were really frustrated. हम लोग इतना ये हो रहा था ना कि अभी क्या करूं, what is going to happen. There were lot of things मेरे दिमाग में, सबके दिमाग में चल रहा था कि लॉकडाउन लाइफ में कभी नहीं हुआ and this is the first time. So if you had a good critical thinking setup or your thing, you would survive. नहीं ठीक है, now moving to a different, now after 1 month you say it is okay. So और क्या हो जाएगा, another 15 days, but for what? It's for the good. The third skill is communication skill. Communication is not about speaking कि हम लोग अच्छा बोल सकते हैं, मैं 4 लोगों के साथ बात नहीं कर सकता हूँ. Communication is about writing also, about expressing yourself, about learning languages. See, language is one of the multiple intelligence. So the number of languages you know, your growth mindset is on a different path. If you see a lot of successful people, at least they have 4 or 5 languages. So communication is important. And if at all I don't know somebody, the action we start with is asking a right question. कि communication is also about asking the right question. और लाइफ में वही इंपॉर्टेंट है, क्योंकि स्कूल में हमको बताया जाता है कि write the right answer. Questioning is not allowed in most schools earlier also. So वो था कि, and in life you have to ask the right question, only then you will get answer. And the fourth one is collaborative skills. The problem with collaborative skill is we are not taught कि जैसा हम लोग कुछ, if we start doing something also ना, so we are, if I try to do a business with somebody or if my friend, घर में बोला जाता है कि पार्टनरशिप कभी नहीं करनी चाहिए, because we don't believe in collaboration. If you see, after some time there is a lot of challenge when people don't try to move up in the corporate ladder, क्योंकि they are not able to handle teams. बड़ी बड़ी टीम्स हैंडल करने का जो स्किल चाहिए वो नहीं है अपने पास। आई गिव एन एग्जांपल ऑफ टू ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स। कॉलेजेस डेज में हमको कभी भी लगता था कि ये दो कभी दे वर टू पोल्स अपार्ट, कभी एक एक दूसरे को कभी देखते नहीं थे। एंड व्हेन दे थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग अ बिजनेस, most of the friends gave them कि boss करो मत, you are going to fail. But the beauty of that was they both have different skill set. उन दोनों को एक different skills था. And do you know what? They are one of the leading manufacturers in India. Amazing things. कभी हमने सोचा नहीं था कि हम लोग वो दोनों साथ काम कर सकते, क्योंकि हमारी सोच थी कि पार्टनरशिप नहीं करनी चाहिए. But if you see collaborative skills, that is important. Like in most of the corporates, we have mentors and mentees or coaches. So my submission today is ki why can't we start mentor and mentorship in schools? Schools में mentors की, क्योंकि teachers are the best practice method for students to develop the growth mindset. स्कूल में क्या होता है ना, स्कूल में परफॉर्मेंस गोल मेजर किया जाता है. The reason is, and performance, whoever is focusing on performance goals, they come from a fixed mindset. क्योंकि you have to do only three topics, you'll answer only three topics, and then you get good marks in three topics. So you have a great score. That's performance. And if you move to learning goals, लर्निंग गोल्स का क्या फंडा है कि लर्निंग गोल्स, यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, यू फेल, यू स्टार्ट लर्निंग, यू फेल. सो व्हाट एवरीवन सेज, फेलियर इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ सक्सेस, एंड वी डोंट अलाउ आवर चिल्ड्रन टू फेल. स्कूल में भी हम लोग मार्क्स भी, इफ एट ऑल दे गेट 10 or 20% मार्क्स लेस ऑल्सो, सब जगह हंगामा होता है. एवरीवेयर इट विल से कि अरे मार्क्स कम है. We are not ready to let them fail. In life, there is all failure. So how are we going to cope up this? So we tell our children to operate from a fixed mindset, and then we expect the growth mindset to work in corporate lifestyle or अपने careers में. And then we hire coaches, mentors to really move on to that. So my submission to all the educationists, let's have something as mentors, coaches, for teachers to be acting as mentors and coaching, because COVID-19 has given the biggest opportunity for education to transform. How many of you agree? You can say I agree. It has given the biggest opportunity. अगर हम लोग ये opportunity, if we don't take it, we are wasting this 1 month or 1.5 months time. क्योंकि एजुकेशन बड़ा हाथी है. इट इज अ बिग एलिफेंट controlled by the state and the center. And now if you see in this situation, government is taking very good initiatives. So it's time to now change, it's time to move. ये एलिफेंट को हम थोड़ा भी मूव किया ना, because India is going to be, if you believe or not, India is going to be the third largest economy by 2030, irrespective of COVID or non-COVID, COVID-19. And tabhi, in that case, what we require, because COVID-19, 30% jobs are going to go away, and we are preparing students for jobs of 27 or 2028, जो कि jobs है ही नहीं है, jobs are not going to be there. So what should we teach them? What is that they have to learn? It's not about teaching, it's about learning. See, if somebody knows sustainable development goals of world, there are 17 sustainable development goals. ये problems है world में, and most of them have to focus on these problems so that you get solutions. So can we teach us students कि बच्चों को ये सिखाए कि ये 17 सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट गोल्स पे हम लोग सोल्यूशन ढूंढे क्या अभी से. So if we give them that thought process, Believe me or not, students are extremely confident. They are in the part of learnership. Let them fail. कोई नहीं होता there is nothing like failure. I have failed. Lot of people have failed in life. It's not that it can stop something. So, if at all we want to really make our students outstanding, see, COVID-19 ने अभी normal new normal आ गया. You never know. 3 साल का ऐसा कुछ आ गया तो it will come again also. It's nothing. अभी this is a non-event in a history. Now history will be written on this. और तभी हम लोग बोलते अच्छा तो वो था हम लोग घर पे बैठे थे we did and what we did in that 1 month. Did we study? Did we learn? And I would really say I'm really proud of my teachers, Synergy National School teachers, under the leadership of Bhavika Shah. I'm really proud that they transformed themselves in 4 days, straight 4 days. When the lockdown was on 20th, 24th we started the school. Now you know Ambejogai, it's a small town. लेकिन आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ जिस टीचर्स ने कभी भी इंटरनेट या नेट को कभी हाथ नहीं लगाया था दे ट्रांसफॉर्म देमसेल्फ because they wanted to change. They moved towards growth mindset. Growth mindset will always help you to improve on, change on. So on the 25th of March, they reconnected with the students and everyone was happy. And now they are pro. Because technology has to be a part of everything in life. You cannot deny. How many of you believe कि हम लोग स्कूल में थे तभी we have to write an essay, science, a boon or a curse, right? If you say yes, you can say yes कि there was an essay. हर 2 साल में उसको बताते कि is science a boon or a curse, and now you have to say technology a boon or a curse. So technology ki agar if you see there are a lot of good things, but if you focus on what's not good, you are not using the entire space of technology. So technology has to be used. Abhi we cannot be in the complaining nature कि हमारे पास ये नहीं था, and we cannot tell our students कि हम अपने बच्चों को ये स्टोरी नहीं बता सकते कि हमारे जमाने में फोन नहीं था. What will they do? जैसे ठीक है ना आपके जमाने में नहीं था. They will not listen. जो हमने सुना था लेकिन they will not listen. Now we have to be with them. They are technology savvy. हमसे उनसे सीखना चाहिए. Let's learn from the students. कोई ये नहीं. There is nothing small and big. We can learn from students also. And we just have to be supporting. Like after COVID-19, there are two things which will come up very rapidly. One is homeschooling, and the second one is home learning. There's a difference. So homeschooling is parents guided and parents supported. If you are good enough, you can support your child and teach your child, guide your child. He'll completely be into it. But home learning is going to be a bigger space. Home learning is what? Teachers guided and parents supported. So that's the beauty of technology. Now we cannot say time. We cannot say कि अभी time नहीं. I have to go to this class. I have to go to that class. Everything can be scheduled. So my submission to all the teachers and the parents here, let's change ourselves rather than changing the students. They have much energy. They are bundle of energy. Let's change ourselves. हम लोग खुद पे change करेंगे and let's come out of because 90% of the teachers come from a fixed mindset. वो कैसे? So after 12th, if I don't get admission in after 12th, if I don't get admission in science or engineering or medical, then what I do? I go to commerce and arts. And in commerce and arts, what am I forced to do? It's not a choice. What am I forced to do? To take a D.Ed or a B.Ed. And after D.Ed, B.Ed, what I am taught? कि आपको job अच्छा मिल जाएगा. So 90% of teachers join teaching because of the need. not by choice. And only 10% of teachers are joining by choice. And they are creating amazing, amazing results. But I should really thank all my teachers of Synergy. They have completely transformed themselves. And they have shown what the growth mindset can make an effect on the life of the student. So every now and then we talk about excellent schooling, excellent schooling. What's the definition? अपने इसमें definition of an excellent school क्या है? कि if my school produces 10 or 15 students to medicine or engineering, 10%, then you say कि that's an excellent school. In most of our states like Marathwada also, स्कूल का एक्सीलेंस किस नाम से बताया जाता है कि ये स्कूल के 10 बच्चे मेडिकल लग गए और इसमें 10%. So what about the 90 people, 90% of students? Isn't it a responsibility to give them support? Isn't it a responsibility to move into the growth space? So we need to take a stand as teachers and parents कि we cannot prepare students for job now. We just have to develop their skills. आज जो भी हम लोग है, whatever we are in the position, हम लोग आप लोग सब, it's not because of education or it's not because of knowledge. It's because of the skill set that we are here. I know a lot of people who are really highly educated have joined this chat. But whatever we are doing as on today with the COVID-19, it's because of a skill set we are here. Because if you know why do we do what we do, I was fortunate to attend Tony Robbins in Singapore last year. Tony Robbins is one of the greatest speakers on the entire earth, and I was fortunate to attend one of his seminars, Unleash the Power Within. So he spoke about 6 needs, और 6 needs में से 2 need इतने important है because whatever I do, why I do what I do is because of I have to fulfill my needs. Only then I do that. Otherwise I'll not do anything in life. I'll just stay and stay. जैसा अभी कोविड में घर पे बैठे रहूंगा. But if you identify your needs out of 6 needs, which is the need that you are fulfilling? Earlier it was Maslow's theory, but if you know the need, the first 2 needs are certainty and uncertainty. Most of them want the life certain. Their need is to be certain. And today, if you see, there's uncertainty in the everywhere. So ये दो needs में फर्क आ गया, and then we are just moving into a different year. And connection and significance, because whatever we'll do for significance, gaining significance. And the last 2 needs are spiritual needs, that is growth and contribution. So like T. Harvikar says, if you are not growing in terms of learning, you are dying. It's completely true, and I'm a transformed person out of that. Keep on learning. There is no age for learning. If at all you say कि I've done a lot of things and there's no need, then God bless you. God bless you. And the second spiritual need is contribution. So contribution का मतलब क्या है कि सिर्फ पैसा देने से नहीं है. You can contribute time. We are contributing time to the society, contributing time to family, contributing time to friends. So contribution is important, whatever we do. So if we let our students identify the 6 needs, what are the needs that you focus on, your growth mindsets will really move on, because growth mindsets will create more achievements and motivation to the students. Just simple tweak है. Overnight it is very difficult because our blueprint are set for last 50 years. हम जो बचपन से ना अपना ब्लूप्रिंट फिक्स किया है, उसके अपनी सोच नहीं, अपनी सोच मारी गई और दूसरों की सोच हमारी सोच में. So you change your blueprint. Every now and then you can change your blueprint. So coming to the point of excellent school. So my definition of excellent school is different, completely different. My excellence ki student, the school students, one hobby well enjoyed. पूरे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में सिर्फ एक देखो कि you have created one good hobby and that are enjoying yourself. Because when you write something on your CVs, you say hobbies और उसमें बहुत सारा लिखा रहता है, but I don't know most of them. सिर्फ लिखने के लिए लिखते हैं हम लोग. So create one hobby which is enjoyed lifelong. You are using it. The second one is one game which is well played. We don't play games क्योंकि अपना focus अलग है. So one game which is played well, and the third one is in any public administration, admissions or examinations, you just score 60%. So that's where I say that's an excellent school because that's an holistic development of a student. We already moved to the growth mindset. Significance and growth and contribution will really help us to move to a different because growth mindset is the only space you have to be. Let's not stop from growing. As parents also, let's start learning. You can write down what is the thing that I've learned in last 1 month apart from forwarding all the WhatsApp messages. What is the one thing? Did I write a journal? Ki after 10 years also I can rightly say in the month and a half which I was at home, what did I did and how you can tell stories to your generations to come. How many people we have helped in distress. If you see growth mindset, people will always be in the positive zone. One thing I would really recommend you to change from a fixed mindset to a growth mindset is stop complaining. एक हफ्ता सिर्फ आप ट्राई करो कि कंप्लेनिंग नहीं करना है. जस्ट ट्राई फॉर 1 week. And if you are ready to do that, if you fail to do that every day, keep on trying. And when you fail that, just put 100 rupees aside or a 500 rupees aside. Just do it for 10 months. No complaining. And then you see the entire world change. There were a lot of people in the initial stages complaining about COVID-19, COVID, ये वो. There were false stories. But what is that? जो हमारे कंट्रोल में ही नहीं है. So why should we think about that? What is in our control? So my submission today is to just make a small stand towards moving towards growth mindset and stop complaining for one week at least. See the difference you will see. So if you agree and if you would do it, you can just put on I will do it. So that's an affirmation from you. Put it in a chat box that I will not complain for 1 week. It has amazing results. So education itself is an like whenever you learn something, learning goals are very important. Performance goals ठीक है, they are important, but learning, if you have learned something, apply it in the part. So I think I have now my submission completely is to be happy. If you see synergy is completely a vision statement, is completely to develop a healthy, happy, inventive, and responsible citizens of India. That's the goal of synergy. That's the goal of our schools. So my submission towards every individual who is attending and in your context here also, inform everyone to go to a growth mindset. You will see amazing results. India is going to be the leading country in the world by 2030. You believe it or not, I believe it or not. We are going to be the second largest economy, and our children has the best of best opportunities. Only the thing is that we have to have a different mindset. हमारा ब्लूप्रिंट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. Every year you can change your blueprint, you can take help. Don't go with the अपना पुराना सड़ा पिटा dialogues. Don't do that. Let's avoid it. There are a lot of technology which will help you. There's a lot of things we can really do together. We can make a better place for our entire generations to come. They have a better future. How many of you believe? You can say, I agree. Lot of opportunities. पहले जमाने में हम लोग रोते थे कि अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं है तो पढ़ाई क्यों करें. But if you see, there's lot of opportunities coming. No worry, 30% of businesses are going to go away in COVID-19. But the other opportunities are going to open. So be there to grab that opportunity. रोते मत बैठो कि यार ठीक है कि I've lost my job. And if you're not enjoying what you are doing, it's time to think. Do what you love and love what you do. That's the basic thing to be in the every time to be in the growth mindsets. So thank you everyone for joining this small talk. I really thank Rajiv and the entire NTAP team for really giving this opportunity in these times to share my thought process with the education community, with the parents, with the students. I can say I can take at least one or two questions, since now most of the questions have you can really put on one or two questions. I'll take it, and if you believe you can put any questions to ourselves or to Rajiv sir, you'll always be there. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can put the questions. I'll wait for some time. So good, there is a lot of things. Really good talk, which really helped. Yes, thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Grab this opportunity, Lawrence. We need to be prepared for that. Let us be it. Yes, great. Then schools do plan under this crisis. Yes, yes, there are a lot of schools which are planning. The schools have really transformed. It is completely transformed. You won't believe it. Thank you. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, Sanskruti. Thank you, Bhagyasri. Thank you, Anita. Thank you, Sushma. So good, all of you for joining. So once again, I really thank the entire team, NTAP team, for giving this opportunity to share the thoughts which I really wanted to put on. Thank you very much. Thank you.